So, welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day, another week. Many things happens last week. Let's see if this week we have some luck. Here, I'm just waiting the retracement for open the around 45.70. So let's be ready. So let's see. Price is reacting into the 45.65. But I really want the at least the 45.70, 45.71, something like this. Now it's falling so hard. Waiting, guys. I'm waiting the. Well, 4560 now looks pretty nice, but well, now. Let me read the chat. How are you doing? How was the vacation? Well, the vacation was beautiful, dear. Bora, mi amigo, pura vida. Bearish, yes, it's bearish. Trade is not active. Consultant, you are into the Telegram. Just follow the instructions into the Telegram, please, or the instructions into the Discord too. From Morocco, thanks, my friend. Nice to see you here. Hi, guys. You just we are waiting, okay? Not too much people today, but well, we are here waiting the best option. And remember, if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the promfirmmatch.com. There you will see what is the best option, the best discount according to your necessities. What necessities your money, guys? It's pretty simple. Just go there, check into the information, check into the discounts, and before apply any challenge, just go into the comments and the reviews, guys. Okay, be sure of that. The link is into the chat, and the link is into the description too. Red Ninja is here too. Welcome, my friend. United Emirates, Mohammed, welcome. D7 for from Ukraine. Nice, beautiful. No, it was the Korean side nowadays is like a rainy but hot. Like the humid there is hard, but no, there's some not too much. But this is the rainy forest. Beach in front of you, and then the rainy forest. It's beautiful. The Caribbean side here is totally different than the other Caribbean sides because here is you have the rainforest next to the beach, so that's very nice. I was on vacations. I'm being buying here. Mohammed, thanks, my friend. I love you too. Thanks for your support. So well, good reaction. But here, love you currently in a trade. No, I'm just waiting. Where did you go for the trip? I was in Puerto Viejo. Eso, Trilogy. ¿Qué tal el fin de semana? Muy bien. Are we in yet? No. Just waiting the reaction here for continuum to the highest prices. Now we are out of the sun. The sun is there. So well, missing the opportunity for a sell. That's all. So well, we need to wait the so there, the only option what we have at this point, it's open the loan position. So let's wait the price arrive into the loan point, and then we will try the position. 45 team. 35. 35 is the next one here. Non position. Well, we got that beautiful sun. Unfortunately, we didn't get the retracement. So, just waiting at this moment. Welcome back. Thanks, my friend. Exactly. It's this moment. It's not the position taken. Remember the position's still there. If you see the profit moving or the liquidity moving, you can see the information. If not, so falling so hard. Sorry for the ones who still buying. I'm seeing many people open the long position, open many people opening the long position in a ground point. Guys, remember if you want to understand how to take positions, how to where open the long positions, where open the short positions, you can go into the Telegram there or into the Discord there, guys. Lifetime subscription is just only one payment for signals. It's only one payment for $195. If you want to continue alone, taking ground positions, ground points, that's our opposition. But always my recommendation is invest in something what you want to compare your trades or follow the trades or follow instructions there. It's pretty important, guys. So, well, for example, CA again was in a buy position. Um, the B1, B1, go B1 was in a buy position. Tucker Akash, he was in a buy position in 47.75. So can you imagine there? He was in a long position here, 47.75 for Takral. So now it's in a massive drawdown because probably he didn't set the stop loss. Um, well, guys, again, if you want to understand the market, just contact me by WhatsApp. The doors are open for the channels. You there it will help you for understand What is the best point? What is the point of interest? What you will see. Avoid this type of reactions like this, guys. Okay, so just be clear of that. It's pretty important. But again, that type of support is not for free. But if you want to stop losing money with no sense, that is a good investment. Mm. 50 minutes, and probably we will got the new sell soon, near to 45, 60. So here we need to wait the confirmation into the buy some, guys. Okay, it's very important. If you want to open the buy now, you can open the buy now. This is for Fasim. This is for Abipilla. Open the long position. That's your account. That's your money. If you don't have the patience to wait the order, that's up to you guys. Price is falling. In the Telegram, are you giving the exact time when you buy and sell? Yes, and give the exact point, the TPs, the stop loss, the correct stop loss, and everything. The extra trades, of course, for the niche. So if you want to be there, just contact me by WhatsApp. There's the options. And of course, it's not for free. It's a $195, but it's just one payment. Okay, it's just one payment for the rest of your life. So it's an investment, my friend. So that's good. 45, 42. Okay, 8 minutes. Waiting here. The 1 hour 36 is the point. Where's the 36? Here's the 36. 7 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, let me see. Anyone who any profit experience looking for a good prop firm account for the niche for a prop firm, just go into the promfirmmatch.com. There you will see a really good options. There, all the companies there will pay you with no problems, so that's pretty important. Well, if you pass the challenge, just be sure they will give you the payout with no problems. So just go there. The link is into the chat. The link is into the description. And you will find what is okay for you. But you need to read. You need to understand what is the rules. What is the um, everything related about that perfume. What you're going to choose. Read. That's your homework. Read, 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 and then choose a good prop firm. Again, if the prop firm is listed into the prop firm match, you if you pass the challenge, you will receive the um, the payment with no problems. Okay, actually, 95 sounds good. 2 minutes. Forget the confirmation. So that's great. What happens if we're gonna dev switch the best, of course. You're the best trader of the four. You have a great patient. Thanks, my friend, for top 5 boosts, TV. Got it, brother. Perfect, my friend. Just go there, click into the link, create an account with promo from match, receive the promotions, receive the offers. But read, 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 read. 1 minute. I like this position, well, that's great. Okay, let's wait the retracement at least 45, 45. No, let's see, 45, 45, 40. Okay, good. Let's see. Okay, let's try to open the long position. Good. The price is testing the point, so that's good. Let's see if we can test the 45, 35. That would be great. Mhm, mhm. 35 it's now. Remember, I'm waiting. I always wait two, three candles in the same point. So, well, let's see here. If we got that nice reaction in 45, 30, could be an option. It's falling great. Okay, good. The price is staying there into the 45, 35. Mhm. Okay. Let's be ready. Let's see if we can open the long position here into the 35. 36. $37. Mm, okay. So, well, the price It's open. Best point 45.35, but well, I take another position at the best point. Mhm. 38. Stop loss 45. Okay. Mm. Okay, so the price is there. Points. Mhm. TP1 45.53. 57. Working into the TPs. 77. Good reaction there. $57. Beautiful reaction, so that was great. Let's see if we can continue in the same pressure for the next 5 minutes. 45.64. Mm-hmm. Okay, 63. Okay, good reaction. Then go back to the 45.60, 45.37 again, fortunately. So let's see. This is the next 5 minutes could be crucial. Let's expect something good. So let's see. Candles for around 70 pips per candle. So that means high volatility. 3 minutes. Trying to continue. Two minutes. Staying there in 45, 40. So that's good. We need to stay up more than the 45, 35. That's important. And this is the last candle. Let's see if we can open the position there. Okay, this is the last candle in 1 minute. Let's see. Pure patience. Let's see what happened. Okay, give us some pips in positive. We need to break the 45, 47. That's important point. And then continue for the TPs. Let's see. The good thing here is give us another confirmation here, pin by reaction, pin by reaction. So probably we have a second opportunity. Okay, resisting the 4540. That's important. Going back to 4536. Mm, we need to see some pressure. We need to see some pressure into the more than 4535. Okay, let me finish some things here. Mhm. So while staying there, into the point of entry, the people who don't like the trade, you know the process. If you don't like if you don't like the trade, just close the position. As simple as that. If you understand even this point, we can go straight to the stop loss. That's okay for you. You can continue. Mhm. Just staying there. Let me read the chat. Yes, the trade is active, guys. If you can see the trade when the profit is moving, when the liquidity is moving, everything is moving here. You will see if the trade is open or not. Kindly share the entry point with the take profit. I already share it. If you want to the correct information, everything on time, just go into the Telegram. More than welcome. Everyone is welcome there. Or just close up the points here. It's there. But what happened? Any news or Trump for what? For the fall? For the fall, it's normal. We received the confirmation here into the sell zone, and then we are into the buy some here. Let's see if the price can give us another good reaction. This is the last 4 minutes. Entry point. Sorry, Funfac Centralx. Thanks for the explanation for the people who need some instructions there. We need to stay there up to the 45.35. Buenos días, Patricia Martinez. Buenos días. Pura vida. Hey, Rito, any chance to go down to the 42? I don't think so today. It's no chance to go there. 42 is looks so far. Probably if Trump fix the problems with the Ukraine, Iran, and China at the same time, we go back to the 39, 38, probably. So we're waiting in the by this in loss. We are into the point of entry, guys. Here you will see the profit or the negative for sure. The negative is $1 at this moment. $5. So well, seguimos esperando, ¿verdad? Recuerden, igual, cualquier duda o consulta pueden preguntar en español sin problema. Si quieren ser parte de la comunidad, igual pueden contactarme por WhatsApp. Dice ahorita, if I got 400 capital, what is the lot size? What is the lot size for $400? 0.03 could be nice. This is the last candle. So that's great. We continue up to the 45.35. So that's good. Marcel is here. But again, trying to go back. We see into that consolidation with some force. Going back so strong. So well, we got this different point here. The last candle give us this reaction. So now the last candle give us the candle reactions there, still up to the 45.35. Let's see if we can continue or not. So well, staying there. I'm waiting for engulfing candle kit. For 0.03, how many stop loss I heal get the margin call? 15. 15 stop loss. So well, good reaction. Good reaction. Let's see if we can continue. Sellers are trying to break. Yes, it's trying to break, but the buyer is still there. Buyer's still there. Trying to stay in there to the point of entry. So still hold him. Still hold him. Let me read the chat again. I'm going based on your pips. Okay. Huh? Last 50-minute candle. Yes, the last 50-minute candle was pretty awful. Well, it was the last minute candle because the other 40 minutes, the price is very near to the point of entry and everything. But well, now this candle, this green candle is a must to continue more to the 0.5, break that point. Then probably we will test again the 45, 46. Let's see. 1 minute, 3 minutes exactly. How accurate is your strategy? Are we more than I lose? Sometimes, why? Because when I had a really bad week, just just know when I need to stop. Like um, 2, 3 stops in a row, I'm going to stop. Then I will continue again and again, trying to recover that stop loss and everything. But yes, at the end of the month, uh, Frank Frank Gold. At the end of the month, my deal it's 10% of my account. If I join 995 lifetime, there is any chance to hit 50 in a row? No, for the same reason what I'm explaining. Like I know when it's time to stop. When it's time to stop. That's all. Like okay, it's time to stop. No more trades for tomorrow, or no more trades for next week, or for something like this. And then we're back to trying to recover that stop loss. But yes, basically is how I manage the. It's my way to teach the people. We need to understand when you need to stop is part of the risk management. It's something what many people don't understand. Lose is part of the trading. Lose, the stop loss is there. Stop loss is our best friend and everything. But first, we need to understand something important. It is when the strategy is not working, when your mind is not working, um, and understand to just um, stop trading. Most of the people watch the accounts because they don't understand when they need to stop. And well, if you follow instructions, and if you follow the TPS, if you follow the instructions into the Telegram, Funfac, Fun Funfac Central, you will be okay. Leon Perkins is here. Welcome, my friend. Are we trading already? Yes, we are into the position. As you can see, if the profit is moving, it's because for that reason. So, well, staying there, let's see this 6 minutes. We need to continue with that pressure, beautiful pressure. So, and well, for sure, for fun fact, if you want to be part of the community, just contact me back to the WhatsApp. There you will see what is the prices, what options, what you have. If you want to learn your strategy, if you want the personal trading with me, you have the option too. If you want to be part of the community to Discord and everything, there you will see many options there too. Leticia García, ¿dónde es la entrada? Leticia querida, ya entramos, ya estamos ahí nuevamente. So yes, based on your signal, yes, you can. In fact, at this moment with the TP1, you can close it full. You can close the 90%, 50%. That's okay. Okay, good. 45, 43. Rating. Let's see what we have. This is the last 3 minutes, and these last 3 minutes is a must to continue. Must to continue there. Dix is falling. Yes, Dix is falling. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, and it's still there. But well, we need to we can call the something good if we break this 0.5. That's pretty important to break that point. Then we can continue, and then the other point to break it is 45.50. That's really important too. Can I buy? My friend, we stay, you can take better position at least for 30 minutes, you know. We stay in negative points for at least 25, 20 minutes here. You can take 45.34, you can take 45.35, 45.36. Why you want to open the trade in a worse point? No, you can open the trade there. Top 5 boosts, I already um you stay here for many minutes. Saw you, so no reason to just open the trade there. Inclusive here, for example, in 45.34, that was on a point of interesting point to open the loan. Losing, and again, now it's testing the point of entry. So imagine if you open the trade in 45, 44. That is not okay, you know. So now, if you want to open the trade to the point of entry or in a better point, that would be great. Okay, in 1 minute we lose these 50, 60 pips. Now we need to wait. Let's see what happened. Almost break. It broke it a little for the 0.5. Not too much. Let's see if we can continue. Okay. So well, the price is still there. I'm trying to going up. But again, we need to break the 47, 45. Sorry, 45, 45. Okay. So let's try to steal there. Wait him. Let's see. Just hold him. Okay, let me read the chat. Mhm. Okay, nothing happening. Nothing, not too much is happening right now. Okay, so well, I'm still holding. Guys, try to help me with the likes. 900 people is seeing the stream. And just 128 likes, guys. Help me with the likes. I really appreciate that support. Please help me. Let's see if we can go back to the times for forget these for this entry. How many trades do you do in one day? How much profit average in one day? So at least 2, 3 entries per day, my friend. That's the signals, the number of signals what I share into the Telegram. So I'm looking for around $1,000 per day. Of course, if I lose, I'm not going to continue. Like, okay, I take a stop loss. I'm not going to open another trade instantly just if I saw the opportunity. For example, on from last Thursday, or Tuesday, last Tuesday, we touched in a stop loss, and then I saw the opportunity to recover, and then we recovered that trade for a full TP and everything. Well, that was great. Then into the Tokyo session, I did another trade. Um, really fast TP1, really good. That was great. That was good. So yes, it depends of what we can find there. Do you have just Telegram? No, I have Discord for learn and support, and the personal training too by Zoom and everything. Sections by one by one. So if you want to see the prices, just go into the WhatsApp, guys. So well, we still there, holding in positive with pure patience. We're in New York launch time. Let's expect we have something good. We can recover some prices there. Mhm. 47, 45. I'm going enter at the trade close of this candle. Okay. Again, guys, I don't understand why if we stay here in better points 45.32, 45.38, 45.33, 45.36. Why you're going to open the trade when the trade is running on and it's in positive? To be honest, I don't understand that type of view because what they have many people here. And well, that's your decisions, guys. That's your decisions. If you want to do it like this, that's okay. I can do nothing with that, guys. I just give my information. I just propose my entry. Mm, The old people I know here, the old people here in this channel, they understand. They probably, when I open the trade, they will find uh, a better position. They can find a better position than me if they wait 2 or 5 minutes more. So, well, depends for this. Um, depends. It depends of you guys. Perfect, Damon. If that confirm your information, that's good. Your trade, that's okay. Again, reaction near to the 45, 47. I like the way with that you trade perfect, my friend user DV7. I appreciate that. If you want to contact me, the only way is by WhatsApp. So this is the last candle ending with a nice body. So that's great. Nice body. Breaking breaking an important point, the 40, 45, 40. So that's important. Now I know it's not that fast than the sell position, but well, seguimos esperando. Pura paciencia. Okay, Harley candle closing. Any thoughts? Yes, the 1 hour candle give us a nice pin bar reaction. Looks like a pin bar reaction, and well, that's good. That's really good information and everything. So now we need to continue with this pressure. 12 minutes. Mhm. Staying there. Relax. Remember, it's easier just hold the position in positive than hold the position in negative. So Early candle closing. Any thoughts? I already explained. It was a pin by reaction. Lucas, ¿por qué estás tan seguro que va a seguir subiendo el precio? Ya tiene más de $100 de ganancia. ¿Por qué no salir ahora? Mm, no sé, es que con $100 no hago nada, la verdad. Y siempre respeto, al menos que toque el TP1. Siempre hay que respetar ahí la estrategia, ¿verdad? No importa que esté en positivo o no. Aquí son, ¿cuántos pips en positivo? Son como 50 pips. Y si eso es suficiente para usted, digamos Lucas, lo puede cerrar sin problema. Para mí no. Welcome back, bro. Thanks, my friend. Bansh. Can I re-entry if it hits the 4540? Yes, you can. How accuracy your strategy? Sometimes it's very good, more than the 75%. Sometimes not that good. 68, 70%. It depends of the week. It depends of the month. But again, I always understand when I need to stop to take any position, and that's the really important thing. Bro, en Men viven $100, ya no es nada, sí, para nosotros que vivimos en Latinoamérica, y $100 será una belleza. Sí, pensaba eso antes, ahora ya no tanto. Sí, $100 no es mucho, no es nada, mejor dicho. Saco esta cuenta, por ejemplo, el viernes antepasado, viernes pasado, y saqué $950 para el fin de semana. Y ya se fueron. Toca volver a trabajar y toca seguir trabajando y listo, ¿verdad? Así que holdear, recuerden que es más sencillo holdear en positivo que en negativo. Así que bueno, por favor, sigan instrucciones. Mm. Mm. So, well, 7 minutes. Again, it's taking time. Pure patience. Let's see. Pure patience. Okay, let's see. Frank, it's a pleasure, my friend. Ahorita is It's not moving that much. It's not moving that much. Yes. Yes, here. Are we in buying? Yes, we're into the buy position. Just sharing ideas. Finally, is here. Welcome, my friend. Do you think we will reach the 46? Not today, but I'm thinking we can reach the 45, 65 at least for today. We need to break. So, a good reaction. We need to break the 45, 45. That's really important to break that point. Y seguimos holdeando. Veremos qué pasa. Sorry, having a break. It's got holidays. Okay. Everyone, let me sit on the computer. Perfect. Take your time, my friend. Don't worry about that. But it's nice to see you here. How often you go live within your paid community? If there is a schedule or something, I gave them support Monday to Friday 2 times. Tokyo session, it's when I'm going to be more active, asking questions, whatever they need. I'm going to answer there. And in New York session, I stay here. Most of the people come here asking to the community. For example, they they ask me some pairs for Nasdaq, for Dow Jones, for silver, for example, the analysis and the sons for that other pairs. Mojojojo, sí, puede retirar con Celion sin problema, pero por USDT, a menos de que sea de México. En México sí puede retirar directamente por cuenta bancaria. Puede hacerlo sin problema. Si es de México, mi amigo Mojojojo. Debajo de México, solo por USDT. Yo soy de Costa Rica y solo por USDT he podido retirar. Se puede retirar debido a las regulaciones bancarias que tenemos aquí en el país, que son de bastante tercermundistas. eh, es eso, ¿verdad? No puedo. But yes, para Celium, solo para, ¿cómo es? Para México pueden retirar directamente al banco, que yo realmente no lo recomiendo. Yo recomiendo que puedan hacerlo directamente el, desde la wallet, desde el USDT, es mejor, pero bueno, eso depende mucho de que quieran, ¿verdad? Que Pero sí. Con Celium llevamos ya, vamos a cumplir los 3 meses. 3 meses trabajando con Celium. Eh, bueno, tenemos básicamente unos paquitos por ahí. Bueno, recuerden ahí la cuenta cuando cayó en 8.500 dólares, luego se subió a 10.100 y luego hicimos varios retiros, 350, 250, 500 dólares, luego 950 y luego 910 dólares en 2 meses. 2 meses ha estado bastante bien. USDT no han fallado los pagos. El pago que más duró como media hora en llegar a la cuenta. Así que todo ha estado perfecto. No he tenido pues ningún tipo de queja con eso. Y llegando a básicamente, vamos a ver, 350 más 250 más 500 más 950 más 910, casi 3.000 dólares, bueno, 2.960 dólares en positivo de una cuenta de 10.000 en menos de 3 meses. Ahí simplemente lo pueden usar. I was showing the withdrawals in less than 3 months in XELLION for almost $3,000 in this account. I know many people saw this account in $8,000, and then I recover, and then I continue in 12,000. But again, that's my deal. I'm seeing this account as a business. At the end of the month, it's a must to stay 12, 13% in positive of my investment. My business account. So everyone needs to understand that, like, if you want to collaborate with a not a collaborate create an account with a real account, you need to see that invest that account as a business, and that business you need to understand at the end of the month. If you took the 5, 6, 7%, that's okay. But you need to understand that that is an investment. So you need to trade it as an investment. Mhm. So always be clear of that, guys. Be clear of that. So the price is finally it break the 45, 40, 45, 46. Now we need to continue. Now we have a high probabilities to take the TP1. What do you mean by business? When you have a business, a restaurant, I don't know, restaurants, an office, I don't know, like, what else? Like, am I gonna give you an example? When you are the owner as a restaurant, the owner as a office center, you're the owner of I don't know, like rent a car or something like this, you don't think like day by day, you know, you think like in a long term. You think like my business is going to work just 1 month and that's all. No, you think like a business, like okay, I need to pay the taxes, I need to pay the water of here, I need to pay the electricity, I need to pay my employees, I need to pay a lot of things, and at the end of the month, before well, after I pay all that stuff, my business won 8%, staying positive 8%. That's the thing what I'm trying to explain. Let's see. In English, it's a little difficult, but that's the idea, you know. Um, and well, I'm trying to. That's the thing. My business is this 10,000. I'm working and I'm trying to do the 50% in 1 month. It's difficult, but minimum, and for survive and for get a good life, for get a trips, for eat and pay the tax, well, the electricity and the water and everything, minimum 10% by my side, it's going to be the my deal, you know, my deal. That's what I mean by business. Yeah, just seeing. Hopefully, you understand the idea. And if someone get a and explain in a better way in the chat, this is going to be beautiful. You know, my English is not that good. So well, Larito, on an account of $1,500 and trading is what lot would you use for your strategy? 0.10 would be nice. 0.10 for some rich. 0.10 would be nice for 1,500. So well, testing again the 45, 40, 45, 46. I know many people want to the price just go up and everything, but it's pure patience, and that's all. We don't have another options. Just waiting. And let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Vamos a ver. Bien, ahorita, Radra, gracias. That's what I'm using. Thanks. Perfect. ¿El stop lo tienes en tu break even ahora? No, el stop pues, continúa igual. Continúa igual, pero sí lo podría reducir. Vamos a ver si lo reducimos por aquí un poquito. Yes, I'm going to reduce a little the stop into the 45.24. I'm going to prepare the order. 45. 45.24. Changing the stop to 45.24, guys. Do you refine your strategy? I redefine the stop loss. That's all. Testing again the point of entry, break him. Unfortunately, the last two candles give us that hard reactions. So testing again the point of entry. Back here. Let's see if we can continue stay up to the 46, 45, 41. That's really important. I'm changing because we almost touched the piece, but well, now I'm reducing the risk. I prefer to reduce the risk a little because the stop loss was a little high. So for that reason, I reduced it. Was a little high because at the moment when we opened the trade, the volatility was massive. So um, that was the deal at this moment. Now and just change it. Looking really strong. Unfortunately, the last three candles, yes. 1, 2, 3, yes. Now it will retest the 45.33. Maybe just a retracement for the downside trend. Yes, it touched the sell zone. No, it didn't touch the sell zone. The sell zone is near to 45.58, and it didn't touch it at this moment. Just going back, probably it's going to retest the lower prices around 45.30. So well, let's see. 40.04. Let's see if we can continue up to the 45.35. That's pretty important. Sorry, guys. Still a little with the flu. This flu it's taking many days. Okay, staying there into the 45.34. Probably here, many people took the break even and everything. I'm still holding. Okay, the price break here. Now again, we need to pass the 45.42. Okay. Okay, today's news break. Oh my god, it was sell position, man. Okay, open your cell, Ali. Open your cell. Oil is the problem. Yes, but I don't think oil will pass to the 105 today. So, yeah, I'm a bit scary. It's not going back up. That trade management doesn't make any sense. If I manage. So, guys, if you don't like the trade, close it. Close it there. You are in positive now. Just close the position, and that's all. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Close it. Staying there. We're gonna several employer that area in a bad area, bad trade. Okay, visual, don't trade. I will close because I know the structure makes sense, but up and hold. But want to know if you think will go up. Of course, it's going to. If I'm not closing the trade, it's for one reason. I'm thinking the price will go up. But well, so well, testing the 45, 42. Testing again the point. Guild needs some fall to go up. Exactly. It retests the point. The Canada was oil announcement. We'll be doing more trade Nasdaq trades in the future. Yes, probably tomorrow we will start with Nasdaq again. Finally, Nasdaq stopped with the positions like so aggressive, looking the full all time high and everything. So that was the reason for we stopped. the stake in the positions. But yes, we will open the Nasdaq trade soon. Probably tomorrow we will take a position there. Boy, it's very. Well, I'm going to eat them back, okay, guys? Eat them back in less than 10 minutes. I'm going to be back. So just stay there, holding the same position, and I'll be back, okay? I'll be back in 10 minutes. I'm going to eat my breakfast. Voy a comer y vengo. Voy a desayunar. So well, guys, almost TP1. Almost TP1. We still hold him. Who is still holding? And well, congratulations for the ones who don't trust in the people like just come here and create a really bad environment. I don't see the sellers at this point. So well, TP1 guys, 145 pips. 145 pips. Break even. It's time to be in break even. I don't see the experts seeing like close the trade. Well, break even. um, Yashim, be honest. My strategy say sell. Yashim, say hello, my friend. Let me see who else. Alireza Bonak Darchiem. Oh my god, there was a sell position, man. Say hello. Say hello. Virus Beep. Time to enter sell. Say hello, my friend. So well, good. Nicole N, gracias. Con todo el gusto. I always trust you. Thanks, my friend. So well, share your profits, guys, at this point. Share your profits at this point, guys. Trade for full patience. Full TP for today, guys. Let's see. So well, good. Um, Remember, if you want to work directly with me, with the VIP members, just contact back to the to the WhatsApp. The support and the signals is not for free, but it's just a one payment for the rest of your life, guys. Still stuck. Love that trade for Red Ninja. Perfect. For me was stop loss. Yashim, I explain my trade. You decide to change your decision, and that's okay. Next time, let's see if we can find the good trade for us. Well, show me $98. Perfect. Great entry. What's your strategy? My strategy is for the volume sums. Volume sums. If you want to learn my strategy, you can go into the Discord, and there you will see um, pre-recorded videos, the support, and everything about many options for understand the strategy about volumes, or just ask me directly by Discord. So well, guys, 145 pips in positive. So that is beautiful. That was great. Losing is part of the game, exactly. It's part of the process. So, well, guys, share your profit to this point. Try to help me with the likes. I appreciate 900 people was seeing the stream when I take this position. 950 people see when this massive red candle touch the point of entry again. So I expect many people take this position and get profit, guys. If not, that's okay. Unfortunately, well, we got this. Let's see what happened in the next minutes. $72. Perfect. Still holding. You always got my like. Perfect, my friend. Thanks for Dinwo. Guys, again, remember we are in break even. Just be clear of that. We are in break even and we already take the partials. Okay. Sorry. Still holding. I take the partials at TP2. Okay, let's expect the TP2. Eso sube el 47.65. Esperemos que así sea. Bueno, holdeando. Había mucha gente en español holdeando también. Compartan ahí si holdearon hasta el final. Y tenemos ahí el precio. Seguimos. I took it's me. Thank you, bro. I got $72. Beautiful. That's great. Nice, nice, guys. Remember, if you want to be part of the community for the VIP members, just contact me by WhatsApp. That's the only way to contact me. Okay. I'm from Costa Rica. Just remember, the access for the VIP members is not for free. It's $195. Okay, TP2 guys. TP2 guys. $185. Yes, $195, my friend. This is the lifetime subscription. So I'm going to take another 10. So now taking the 50% of the entry into the TPE2. Those 185 pips. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Share your profits. Yashin, I recover my losses. Perfect. Good. I'm afraid to trade the triangle ABCD wave since you don't know where it will open up. Okay. Where are you from? From Costa Rica. Thanks, buddy. Yashin recovered the money. Perfect. That's the idea. Consultant work. She's the last our last member into the to the Telegram and Discord. Thanks for your support, and I appreciate you share here your profit. $120 in positive, so that's beautiful. Made $600. That's great. Capital for 9,000. That's totally okay. It make me smile every time when you say share your profit. Perfect. That's the idea, my friend. You share an ID. Hopefully, you receive some money too. Elias, $10. John Emmanuel, $68 booked and 31 running. Perfect, John Emmanuel. Another important part of work of our community. John Emmanuel, that's great. You sharing ideas the same. $50 and running. Great. Realtor, real, real Keisha, up to $90. Great. That's beautiful. $90. $90, guys. $12. Felipe Acuña, up $100 from Costa Rica as well. Mi amigo, pura vida, por arriba de $100. Felipe, creo que es la primera vez que lo veo por aquí. Tenemos una comunidad como de 5 ticos. 5 ticos. Entonces, pura vida. 5 o 6 ticos por ahí. Sorry, guys. Hi. When is the normal live training timing? Well, for the VIP members, every day Tokyo session exclusive for the VIP members. And for the general and the public in general is for the New York session always at this hour when Wall Street opens. Papa Queen, $658. Beautiful, my friend. L 19, $157. Drop is talking again. Expect volatility. It doesn't matter what happened. We're in break even and we already took our partials, guys. Lolax win, yes, was a win. Was a beautiful trade. Pure patience against the trend. Again, another trade against the trend. I know many people don't like this trade, don't like this position, but well, I follow always my sons. This is the results. I'm watching from Bangladesh. Nice, my friend. Quiero entrar y casi te mando el DM. What's perfecto, mi amigo. Claro que sí. Víctor López, gracias desde España. Gracias, mi amigo, usted por ver desde el viejo continente. Todo un placer. Thank you from Kenya. That's great. Muy bien, ahorita. ProfitX, todo perfecto. Hola, Laurito, $120. Y de Honduras, ¿cuántos hay en la comunidad? Bueno, de Honduras hay como dos. Estaba, creo que usted, había uno que era de una compañía hondureña, pero desapareció hace meses. Un par, un par. De Centroamérica no hay mucho, de Sudamérica hay un poquito más, Argentina, Colombia, Ecuador, Chile, pero de centro, me imagino que es como, como lo hago en inglés y así, entonces eh, les cuesta un poco más, pero creo que es eso. Igual ustedes saben que nadie es profeta en su propia tierra, así que bueno, es parte de. When we got the floating, that's crazy, bro. Perfect. You spelled Bangladesh correctly. Yes, Bangladesh. Thank you so much. A pleasure, my friend Papa Queen. Watching from Lesotho. Nice, my friend. I think Lesotho. Uh, Lesotho is in Africa. I don't remember if Africa or Europe. Yes, Africa. De la República Dominicana. Excelente, mi amigo. Thank you, man, from Austria. My friend from Austria. More than welcome if you want to be part of the community. Remember, the only access and the only way to contact me is by WhatsApp, guys. That's the only way. A lo mejor. Estupidez. Mm. Okay, share your profits, guys. At this point, who is still holding? Hello, what? I'm using the volume sums, guys. Volume price. Various. Okay. So if you live timing, I always come here to the when Wall Street's open. I made 250 pips. Nice axiom. I'm in sell. Okay. Hello, bro, from Iran. Nice. Watching from Canada. Gracias por el trade, por tus enseñanzas, Laurito Lolax. Un placer, mi amigo. Buy or sell partners. Thanks. For for Tash. For Tash, $350. That's great. Thanks for Sri Lanka. A pleasure, my friend. More than welcome. 950 people saw the point of when we got the point of reference and everything. When we go back to the point of entry, hopefully many people took that position. Remember, we are in break even, guys. Just be clear of that. At this moment, I got $300, $300, and I've secured $100 more. So that means if this trade go back to my break even, it will give me 100 or $400. So that's great. $400 just for the start of the week. That's nice. Candler, what's a grab liquidity? Maybe go. Okay, what's your strategy? Okay, guys, I'm going to explain the why I take this position. Please, please pay attention. First, remember we are into the volumes. My first intention was to open a sell position around in 45.85. That was That is what I'm looking for today. But as you can see, first we got this massive candle controlling the chart. That means massive candle, full body candle in 1 hour candle. That means if we got the 50% of that account of that candle, sorry, we will see the sales on there. So just we are waiting the retracement for open the trade in the morning. But unfortunately, when we got the that confirmation in the morning, as you can see, the price touched the 45.85, go back, but instantly go back to the 45.60. Then we were waiting the price go back to the 45.70 at least for open the trade. It didn't give us that retracement, and it goes back, starting go back to 45.69. Then what happened? We got another buy some. The other buy some was controlling this beautiful candle, engulfing candle. It touched two times here, one, two, and go. Then the price just go back in 1 hour. Remember, we're in 1 hour. In 15 minutes, everyone saw the trade. We got this pin bar reaction and the next pin bar reaction. Then we try to open the long position near to 46 um 45.38. I was trying to find the point 45.35, but what at the point what we opened the trade 45.38, near to the point. As you can see, the price give us full 15 minutes here in 45.34 points that the people can get a better trade. Here is the same retest with that engulfing candle 45.34, and then the price just, the sellers was overextended, extended with with not a real retracement, and now the price give us almost 200 pips with no problems, guys. So well, if you want to continue holding, hold with me. I'm still holding. Let's see what happened. We're going live. Okay, what's your strategy? Are you ready, Sun Hai? I already explained the strategy. Next session, dude. The next session is Tokyo session exclusive for the VIP members into the Telegram and Discord. Are you going to live every day? Yes, I'm every day here. Okay, let's go. What's the strategy you use? Okay. Pura vida, Lucas. 30 de ganancia con $100. Excelente, mi amigo. Esa es la idea. ¿Alguien de Argentina por acá? Hay bastante de Argentina. De Buenos Aires, otra provincia. Neuquén, no sé dónde es Neuquén. Soy de Chaco. This is going to 45.33. 45.63. Let's see. Let's see if we can touch the TP3, guys. I already explained the strategy. Hopefully, everyone take your notes, take the information. Mhm. Mhm. Mm. Sí será. Hola, tus live YouTube son siempre gratis, solo soy. Sí, siempre son aquí gratuitos. Lo que pregunten, necesiten, me avisan. Si quieren soporte más personalizado, si quieren aprender la estrategia, si quieren más señales, es ahí donde se cobra. Y lo mínimo son $195. Lo bueno es que no es mensual, eso simplemente es un pago y listo. Pare de contar, un pago y ya. I just trust in you, bro. Perfect. It will. Just, hope it hit the TP3. Cerca de. So well. So well, let me check the Telegram. Uh, nice start, beautiful. Well, the ones who are asking the Telegram looks like this. First, I just start with the daily analysis. I share the important points 45.75. That was our point, the retracement. Then the sons and everything for take the points. As you can see, 45.35. That was our main point for open the loan. Well, this is Lewis, the profit of Lewis. $110 for the people into the Discord. This is Victor for almost pretty good, $1,000 almost. Many days, a lot less. Well, many people here take their own trades and everything, so that's great. Yeah, this is how it looks like. If the people ask, for example, silver, I give my point of view for silver. Then if people ask for Nasdaq, I gave them the Nasdaq trades. For sure, the pre-recorded videos. If you want to see the pre-recorded videos, is there about the strategy, learning forex. Many videos about learning forex, risk management for different people and everything. Books for sure. We have some really important books. This is the 6 books what I recommend for some must to everyone to understand. Well, of course, the trading room for many different players. Graham, Graham always give us really good ideas here. So that's great. That's great. Beautiful. This is how it looks like. Um. Okay. Muy bien. Okay. Hola tus lives. Okay. Son gratis. Are you everyday live just either just one time? No, it's just every day I'm here, but the VIP members receive the support and receive the information on time, receive the extra trades and everything. How Discord just learning on taking strain. Discord is for learning, my friend, and Telegram is for the trades. How it looks like. Telegram looks like this. Pretty simple. For example, well, today preparing sell position goal. Well, definitely I discard the sell position. Then I just focus into the buy position. Buy call now. Point of entry. Stop loss. TPs. I share the order to reduce the stop loss. And then TP1, TP2. All the entries looks like this. For example, in Tokyo session, buy gold now, 4670, point of entry, TP1 in Tokyo session for re-entry, gold here, buy gold now, TPS, TP1, TP2, full TP for 230 pips. If I lose, I'm going to share. If I lose, for sure, stop goal, 150 pips. And well, Tokyo session, preparing sell position gold. Pretty easy. Sell gold now. Stop loss. Point of entry. Then stop loss. TPs. Full TP. TP2 gold. TP2. Them. TP3. Same. Full TP. I share all the entries there. It doesn't matter what happened. If I lose, I'm going to share it. If I win, I'm going to share it. As simple as that. Telegram is just for signals. Telegram is just for signals, and Discord is for learn and understand. Um, Telegram is just for signals, guys. And again, try to don't ask for the free access because the access is not for free. Okay, 1,084 pounds. That means 100 and 1,000 $200, something like this. So that's great. Lewis, beautiful. So well, there is the options if you want to be part of the community. Now, guys, just holding. I don't know if someone is still holding. Um, remember, we are in break even and we already take the partials, guys. Please understand that. Can we close the trade? Going loose. Close it if you want. You think it's going a little bit higher? Probably yes. Like your story, bro. I send a request for your Telegram. I don't have a free access for Telegram again. If you want to contact me directly is by WhatsApp. The only way to contact me is by WhatsApp. No other way to contact me. Not by Telegram. No, nothing. Just by WhatsApp. As simple as that. By WhatsApp, guys. So, Sumit, if you want to talk directly with me, it's by WhatsApp again. Please don't fall into the fake channels into the Telegram, guys. The only way to contact me again is by WhatsApp. Be clear of that, okay? So, Rafael Thompson, if you don't like it, just don't contact me. Stay there. I don't know what the earth. If you, I don't know if you have a Pacina, if you don't know. Why post signal if you don't know? Rafael Thompson, don't know what? What you are talking about? Where do you trade Tokyo? And trade Tokyo session into the Telegram and Discord for the VIP members. So, well, still waiting the answer for Raphael Thompson. For 483. Probably, but not today. Altayep. Don't mind about the comments. People enjoy the profits, but no small loss. I don't know what the people is talking about. The losses, the point of entry is here. 45, 38, that 58. I don't know if the people is seeing. If you take the position in a ground point, that's your decision. I don't understand what's wrong exactly. Fact, Foco. What's wrong with the Rafael? I don't understand. Everyone is still waiting the Rafael Thompson answer. So well, guys, if you take the ground position in a ground point, that's your decisions. I recommend we stay into the point of entry for more than 30 minutes. There into the point of entry, one candle, two candles, three candles, four candles here, 30, 35 minutes into the point of entry, near to 45, 36, 45, 35, 45.38. And 900 people want seeing the stream there. 950. If you don't take the position there, that's your fault, not my fault. I don't know if someone is still holding or not. So, well, 1 minute to continue this candle. Looks like the candles are performing an evening star. Yes, looks like an evening star. Let's see if the price continue up to the 45, 46. That would be great. I'm still there. The profit is still there. I'm secure $100 by my side. If the price touch the break even, I will continue with this around 400. 400 $50 in positive. Looks like the candles. Okay. So well, guys, so quiet at this moment. If you let's talk something because I'm falling asleep. Remember, guys, if you want to use XELLION as a broker, this beautiful platform, just go into the link. The promotion is the first deposit for $100. You will receive the another 100% welcome bonus um, if you want to participate with that. Okay. Of course, if you share me the deposit and everything, I will give you the information, the Telegram access and everything. Okay. So just go there. Remember, Xelion is for most of the people using the USDT. Just if you are from Mexico, India, other parts of Asia, you will have um, another positions for banks accounts and everything. But yes, most of the countries by USDT. Price 1:1. Okay, we can book the 50% if you want. I booked the 50% at TP2. I'm now just holding. Exactly. Correct, Danish. Great trade as usual, Lorito, Danny, Abraham. Thanks, my friend, for your support. Rest of the content, we book the. Yes, let's see. We have time, many hours to continue here, so that's okay. Price is going back. So well, let's see if the price touch the break even. $45, 48. Yes, and always I'm here always Monday to Friday. Um, New York session, guys. New York session. I'm still holding, just wondering is the reject points to buy it again. Let's see. Let's see what we have. I'm still in break even. Again, I already took the partials for $300. I'm just holding the position. Okay, guys. If you don't like, if you don't want to hold, if you don't want to the patience, summer, just close the trade. As simple as that. Close the trade as simple as that. If you don't want to wait, close it. Simple. Okay, I keep hold until full TP. Okay, guys. So this is a new low. This is the testing the 45s, 45, 47. It's being slow, guys. Slow, slow. The thing is, right now I'm tired, the stream will continue, but that's all by my side. I'm going to rest. If you want to contact me, be part of the beep community, just contact me by WhatsApp. That is the only option to contact me. I appreciate everyone here. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the bad comments. I appreciate the good comments. The good vibe. Se les agradecen los buenos comentarios, los malos comentarios, las buenas y malas energías, todo. Gracias por el tiempo. Thanks for your time, guys. I really appreciate that. As you can see, the price probably tests the break even, and that's all. Okay. So I'm going to wait this candle for see what happened, and that's all. Okay. Remember, I'll be back for in around 8 hours for the people in Tokyo session, and for the people in for the rest of the people for come back here tomorrow in New York session, guys. Granja Monedas, mi amigo, gracias a usted por el apoyo siempre. Samer Malik, what you are talking about? If you don't know them, why give the signal? So you think 185 pips in positive if because I don't know. I'm waiting the answer for Samer Malik. Okay, B taken. The B was taken, guys. So at the end of the trade, 430 dollars starting for 185 pips. It's good to see you giving some back for trolls, yes. But again, no answer. They just come here saying stupid things and go. So well, that's all, guys. That's the trade. $400 by my side. Good start for for Monday. Remember, if you want to be part of the VIP community, just contact back into the WhatsApp for sure. And if you want to work with this beautiful broker, just go with XELLION. XELLION is the recommendation is for the fastest payout is by USDT, guys. Okay. So see you soon, guys. Thanks for everything. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your support. Back for the people in Tokyo for the VIP community in Tokyo session, and for the rest of the people, I'll be back here in New York session. Okay. So see you soon. Thanks for your support. Thanks for everything. If you want to contact me and be part of the community, the VIP community, just contact me by WhatsApp. That's the only way. Thanks for your support and thanks for everything. Back soon, guys. See you soon.